Whether you're replacing a broken appliance or moving into a new home, it's handy to know how to install a washing machine. The tools and materials you'll need for this job are a spanner, a spirit level, a U-bend frame, and the washing machine. Remove the washing machine's outer packaging and check inside the drum for any further packaging or pipework. Once you've unpacked the washing machine, it's important to remove the transit bolts. These are installed at the back of the washing machine to prevent the drum from moving during transit. Use a spanner to remove the bolts and plugs. All washing machines need an inlet pipe plumbed in. This may be referred to as a cold water feed. Some appliances have both a hot and a cold water feed, and it's a good idea to check this before buying a new washing machine. Our washing machine uses only a cold water feed, so that's what we're showing you here. It's best to install your washing machine near existing pipework. Before you continue with the installation, ensure that your inlet pipe is turned off. To plumb the inlet hose, insert the angled end of the hose into the washing machine and tighten by hand. Make sure you don't over-tighten this to avoid damaging the watertight seal. Feed your necessary pipes and power cables through the back of the cabinet and push the washing machine in a little to give yourself more slack to work with. Then, connect the other end of the hose to the water inlet pipe and secure it as before. Once you're all plumbed in, pressure test your pipework by turning on the inlet pipe, making sure water is running through easily and there aren't any leaks. Plumbing a waste pipe is similar to plumbing an inlet pipe. The main difference is to make sure you form a U-bend with the hose. Often, washing machines will come with U-bend frames that you can clip the pipe into and connect to the wall. The U-bend prevents stagnant water and bad smells from circulating back into cycles. The waste hose will already be fitted into the washing machine. If you're using existing sink plumbing, attach the end of the hose to the sink waste. With the washing machine in place, check its level with a spirit level and adjust the front feet if necessary. This stops the washing machine shaking violently and allows the wastewater to drain away, avoiding damage. Lastly, plug the washing machine in and test run an empty cycle to make sure everything runs smoothly before your first wash.